No one will argue that luck is a strange and sometimes unfair thing. But no one will deny that even the most unlucky person has white stripes when everything goes like clockwork, though not for long. Just today I will show you these lucky ones. Sit down comfortably and let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
If your city is covered by a flood, then do not despair, there is always a way out. The main thing is not to get lost and catch a wave. Yes, as a child she was not taught that you need to look both ways when crossing a road or a railway crossing. But no, she remembered. Almost on time. The driver and passengers of the car should think about the fact that luck will not always be on their side, especially since life has sent them direct hints about danger. The space was cleared for tricks, but for some reason the guy stubbornly decided to make somersaults in the direction of that single dangerous stone. It's good to have friends. You could expect anything. A crocodile, a piranha, well, or a shark at worst, but not an airplane. The meeting was close, but still not critical. The girl's act is weakly amenable to logic. But the fact that she must remember this lesson is obvious. Not all icicles can treat her head so carefully. Almost like in the movie Final Destination. If you don't drive from behind, it's still extreme. Fortunately for everyone, the braking distance ended before the oncoming traffic. The girl suddenly remembered that she needed to get off on this floor, but the elevator was already going higher. A little hesitation and she did the riskiest thing in her life. It seems to me that the chemical experiment got a little out of control. Everything looks impressive, but still there are more questions than answers. And if someone had not managed to escape? Purely male entertainment. Shoot at a stone, check your results, and finally survive after the collapse. The weekend was a success. In the mountains, luck is especially necessary. As you can see, the guy managed to resist and not go down with the snow. Let this be the end of his trials. Do you think the pilot decided to try himself an extreme flight or just didn't notice that he was moving towards the hill? This time it got through. The man has not yet built all the houses, so the bucket from the excavator landed safely next to him. Is this his mascot now? Apparently the tram is a novelty for the girl. Otherwise, why such wild delight that turned off common sense? But the desire to survive still won. Only a few people managed to face the avalanche, and to also capture it on video and stay alive is on the verge of fiction. They stopped to chat and realized how lucky they were. One more step and it would have ended extremely sadly. Even the usual garbage removal can be extreme. With a lightning strike, you automatically do everything 5 times faster. Tested. Video about double luck. First they met each other in the middle of the desert, and then they successfully missed each other. In addition, they managed to light up on YouTube. It was, well, very risky to stop just in front of a guy. At the same time, it's good that only the guy's nervous system was affected. He wanted to ride a board, but in the end he caught a wave, only a snowy one. Amazing luck to synchronize with a mountain avalanche like this. Successful shots always involve risk. Now the operator is aware of how beautiful content is obtained. And the guy's reaction is no worse than that of a racer. It's like footage from a movie. Adrenaline probably stood out for several lifetimes ahead. These two are almost the only ones who managed to successfully escape from such a giant wave. You have to be a brilliant adventurer to conceive such a design. But luck was also appropriate to then successfully drive over a makeshift bridge. The irrepressible desire to take a selfie leads to this. Even the camel wanted to reason with the girl with the duck lips. The bear cub was in a hurry about his business, so he was not up to communication, and on the way back everything can change, so it's better to finish the halt. She was sitting in the sun enjoying nature when suddenly whale decided to join her. One can only imagine all the emotions that this girl experienced. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then be sure to leave your big like and write any comment, it will be very interesting for me to talk to you. See you soon. Peace.